Lord Tennyson, a poet of nature and humanity. Alfred, Lord Tennyson, was a renowned British poet who captured the essence of nature and humanity in his works. His poetry is a reflection of his love for the natural world and his understanding of human emotions. Tennyson's poems often explore themes of love, loss, and the human condition, making him a beloved and respected poet. Tennyson's poetry often explores the theme of love and loss. In Memoriam AHH, he writes, "'Tis better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all." This highlights Tennyson's understanding of the human experience. He suggests that even though love can lead to loss, it is still worth experiencing. This poem was written after the death of his close friend, Arthur Henry Hallam, and showcases Tennyson's ability to express deep emotions through his words. Tennyson was also a master of exploring the human condition. In Ulysses, he writes, "Come, my friends, 'tis not too late to seek a newer world." This showcases Tennyson's ability to inspire and motivate through his words. He encourages readers to seek out new experiences and explore the world around them. The poem follows the character of Ulysses as he prepares to embark on a new journey, demonstrating Tennyson's ability to create compelling characters and stories. Tennyson's poetry often features beautiful imagery and symbolism. In The Lady of Shalott, he writes, "Out flew the web and floated wide." This demonstrates Tennyson's ability to create vivid images through his words. The poem tells the story of a lady who lives in a tower and is cursed to weave a web, showcasing Tennyson's ability to create a sense of atmosphere and mood. Nature, read in Tooth and Claw, In Memoriam AHH. This highlights Tennyson's view of nature as a force that is both beautiful and brutal. He suggests that nature is indifferent to human suffering. Tears, idle tears, I know not what they mean. Tears, idle tears. This demonstrates Tennyson's ability to express deep emotions through his words. He suggests that tears can be a mysterious and inexplicable expression of sorrow. To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield, Ulysses. This showcases Tennyson's ability to inspire and motivate through his words. He encourages readers to strive for greatness and never give up. In conclusion, Lord Tennyson was a poet who captured the essence of nature and humanity in his works. His poetry is a reflection of his love for the natural world and his understanding of human emotions. Through his words, he continues to inspire and influence readers to this day.